Countrywide there is a shortage because even today alone we received many calls from even outside the county. Help us with maybe the rare blood groups. Help us with we are having a shortage. There is basically a shortage, especially these December holidays. The demand is very high, and especially when schools and colleges are closed, which are our biggest donors. So there is a shortage. The demand is high. Demand in cancers, in road traffic accidents, other traumatic events like injuries, vita, people fighting, and in the name of celebrating, they go overboard and harm each other. So they end up needing blood and surgeries.